Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the second part. This is the flip card challenge. So in this challenge, we have to basically design the interactive 3D flip cards. So you have three or four cards, and when you just keep the cursor on that, it flips and shows some content. For example, let's say you have to cover information along with the photo. So instead of just displaying that, you can make it as an interactive way. Display the photo first, and when you click on that, the card flips, and then the information comes. So that would be good UI or good UX for the good experience for the user. So the card is already designed, the page out is designed. We have to just add the interactive flip element in that. So again, we have three parts: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's go into that one by one. So in HTML, we have the hero section. So in the hero section, we have a simple image and a little content to show. Now comes the main part, that is the card flip section. So in this card flip section, we have multiple divisions. So basically, one is card, and then card inner and card front. So in this card front, we have whatever the front image what we have to display in the card, and then after that we have a card back saying here we have the heading Mars, and then whatever the content about Mars is, it is mentioned. So this is the card front and card back. Like this, we have three cards. For one is for Mars, one more is for Jupiter, one more is for Neptune. So now after this we have the CSS part. So in the CSS part, what is the main is the when you hover on the card, it should flip. Okay, so how do we do that? It is basically we have the CSS card hover, and then in this card hover it should rotate y by 180 degree. So it should rotate it by 180 degree. So similarly, here we have the hover card effect. So whenever you hover it, the card is the effect is called. So what else is there is important here? That's it. Again, like I said, CSS depends completely on however you want it. Now coming to the script part, here first we use a query select all using whatever the card is the name of the division. So it takes everything with the div name as card. Now for each card in that cards, the event listener here is the mouse enter. As soon as the mouse enters the card regions, for example, if let's say run, this is the card region. So whenever the mouse enters, it should flip. Automatically it should flip. You no need to click and all, it should automatically flip. So basically we have to add an effect called highlight. So in this highlight effect is basically here. Let me search for it. Yeah, here. So this thing is enabled whenever you call the card. So it looks like it has flipped. Now after that, whenever the mouse leaves it, it should again remove the highlight part. So the original, however it was the original card, it should come. Let me run the program. Yeah, so these are the cards which I was talking about. These are the three cards. So you can see this is the hero section. Whenever I come, these are three cards. So initially they have the image Mars, Jupiter, Neptune. So whenever I click on Mars, see, just the mouse just enters the region, it automatically flips, giving it a glowing effect, which is the highlight effect. It says Mars, the red planet, home to largest volcano in the solar system. Now, as soon as as soon as the mouse leaves it, it automatically comes back. Now, Jupiter, the gas giant with the great red spot storm raging for centuries. Again, okay. Now again, Neptune, a windy ice giant known for its deep sapphire blue color. So this is how it works. Let me submit the program now. So the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.